Hello friends, welcome to Navitasefficens, your smart energy partner. In this video, we are presenting you a 5 kilowatt solar PV rooftop installation for a bungalow by Navitasefficens. Navitasefficens is an internationally registered brand and company working in diverse areas of energy sector since 2012. Watch this full video to know the project in detail. To stay up to date with our latest project videos, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and share the video. Now let us study the project in detail. The main challenge was to choose the correct location for installation. To overcome these challenges, we designed a 3D digital model to work on the accuracy. Option 3 was chosen out of all these options for better performance. It is a raised structure installation with a walkway for easy and safe maintenance. A 3D digital model of the project. Process pictures. Skilled manpower was deputed to work on site. A structurally stable walkway was designed for maintenance and cleaning. Structure and panel installation was done following the digital model to achieve maximum accuracy. Let us know, what do you think of this project? In comment section. Thank you for watching.